For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A wonder creation by founder of EOS Dan Larimer and Brendan Bloomer in 2017, EOS has taken care of the reliable ascent popular by the financial backers. The computerized guide cut by EOS.io for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. The result of mechanical upgradation regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been exceptional, particularly for digital currencies like EOS. Before we dive into the EOS cost forecast, let us view a portion of the novel highlights of EOS-like power-up model as being created by EOS convention to deal with all exchange expenses through a one-time installment. The primary round of initial coin offering, drifted by EOS in June 2017, reported tremendous additions are bringing $185 million up in a range of 5 days, offering 200 million tokens, which were 20% of the complete issuance. EOS, the technical analysis and algorithm. This exceptional element of the EOS.io blockchain stage connotes that data connected with exchanges will in general get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, subsequently working with remarkable speed of exchanges timing 2 million exchanges each second. EOS Global is a current EOS partners who are building creative blockchain projects. The specialized examination of this sort of blockchain innovation in view of blockchain convention and a savvy contract will go about as a huge power sponsor demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. Going about as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, EOS will get extremist change finance, particularly in decentralized applications. As far as cost pattern, EOS was exchanging serious areas of strength for with energy since the year starts. Be that as it may, it confronted slide in the middle of between bullish convention alongside other major altcoins of the crypto market. As per the new cost situation, the EOS coin could proceed with its bullish convention with unpredictability. EOS, the historic price saga. In the underlying year 2017 of posting, the ECO raised more than $4 billion. EOS remained at $1.20, accomplishing in July a splendidly uplifting $5.48 just to tumble to a surprising 50 cents in October. Nonetheless, with extraordinary help from allies, it began a vertical journey, taking it to $12.50 in December 2017 as an astounding 2,160% expansion. During 2018, EOS experienced bull run which made EOS cost move from 50 cents to $23. In past bull run the EOS cost increment different of 46. In the final part of 2019, EOS began its withdrawing excursion to wind up as $8.50 per token. Before the pandemic lingered generally in the news spread, the overall finish of 2019 saw EOS exchanging at its past help level of $2.65. From the 2020 value, EOS developed to $3 by late April and united in the $2.20 to $3.00 exchanging range by late June. On August 14, purchasers figured out how to break the $3 obstruction level. After 3 days, EOS topped at $3.90. A pullback drove the resource for the lower part of the past exchanging range. Starting from the start of the last year, the coin has stamped enormous development, and in May 2021, the cost of EOS hit another high of $14.88. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting starting spike above $14, the coin confronted ceaseless decay, and in September 2021, the EOS value retested its past help of $3.20. In the earlier year, Block.one that fosters the EOS stage got $10 billion subsidizing. A while later EOS token cost acquired around 100%, making EOS value equivalent to $14.88 in May. It has made another auxiliary called Bullish Global. Google cooperated with the EOS stage to be a block maker for the organization. Brain Trust, Digital Oracles, Genbank.io, and a lot more are projects based on EOS innovation. Lacane, a financial backer, stepped up to the plate and advanced crypto and blockchain reception across Latin America. Afterward, It checked moderate force with negative hold till the finish of the year before. The moderate negative pattern went on till today with a low unpredictability. The coin is presently exchanging underneath $3, yet as of late, it has penetrated a half-year-long downtrend line. Subsequently, the coin could reflect up energy in the forthcoming months. The Epic EOS Price Prediction 2022 to 2026. The continuous however consistent ascent in the cost of EOS might not have won at the highest digital currency grant, yet astute financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. The ongoing cost of EOS is around $2.86 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $362,876,958. EOS is possibly somewhere near 0.30% as of now with a market cap of $2,795,093,277 and live market cap, live EOS value today or cost of EOS today, USD, can be eluded from the above outlined table. In earlier year February the EOS swapping scale equivalent to 0.35 EOSs for a dollar. As indicated by EOS cost gauge, the symbolic cost is exchanging over its help zone with a moderate exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a low exchanging action may not lean toward the EOS token as new coins are basically added to the course, weakening the inventory. EOS Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, cost expectation for 2022 estimate the badge of EOS is good to go to certify areas of strength for it in the digital money market, crossing all boundaries scaling at a most extreme cost of $4. EOS forecasts done by specialists gauge the symbolic will exchange above least cost of $3.50. In view of momentary EOS expectations, the cost is probably going to float around $3.60 by the start of July 2022, and EOS cost expectation for the year expects it can ascend to $3.90 by year-end. EOS figure appears to be hopeful till now. EOS Price Prediction 2023. A quick, dependable organization can assist EOS with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost. The EOS Forecast, 2023, states the likelihood that the EOS digital money will be $4.30 per coin on a normal. The most extreme cost, least cost may be $4.80 and $3.90 separately. On the off chance that the bull run for practical crypto go on into long-term end, EOS estimate uncovers the cost might try and see a worldview rush. EOS Price Prediction 2023.